right, this is over here on the other side of the building. We still got to do, let me show you around real quick. Over here, this is the back side of the building that we're going to be working tomorrow, but in the meantime we are going to be working at the front. So just a quick look so you guys can see what we're working at today in San Jose. We already primed and put caulking on the windows and all the trim, and then I'll show you second floor right now. This is the second floor, and I mean the masking right there is coming off, but we'll fix it right now. As you guys can see, this is a brand new roof that the general contractor just installed, and this is all the masking and prep that we're doing. We are in San Jose, California. As you guys can see, it's a beautiful day in the bay, so let's go. Okay, so right now I just wanted to show you a quick look over here in South San Jose. We're getting ready to spray. You know, just a quick look of how we do things with the company. The guys already they already primed and then did all the caulking on the trim, and right now they already masked all the trim, and then they'll cover all the roof because it's a brand new roof, as I show you in the video. And then right now we're gonna start doing the finish coat on the main body, and then tomorrow or Friday we're gonna go ahead and start doing all the trim. So, you know, if you guys are a general contractor or a landlord, if you guys need some help with any commercial paint project, we are available. Let us know. We'll come out, we'll walk the job with you, and find out all the issues, all the problems that you have, and we will direct you the right way. And then yes sir, just let us know.